RV life, am I right?
Yeah.
Oh! We're on the side of a building. This is
Sourdough fuel.
the sourdough fuel. They have water, air, propane, gas, dump.
All the things that you need.
The quadfecta,
Yes.
as they say.
Yep.
Anyway, so...
We're leaving Fairbanks again.
Yeah.
So let's recap. We had to come here.
Why did we come back?
because
We had a
We had a leak.
in the blah 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 something dark side.
Yeah.
Laurel pissed what it was right there.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a paper seal that goes on the outside of the axle, and it got all fixed.
Yes.
We replaced both on. We just did one side. It was gone. The other side, preventative.
Yep.
So we fixed both of them.
This was at Gabe's.
Yep, Gabe's Auto and Truck Repair,
Yep.
which they are amazing. You
Yeah.
can stay overnight if you live in your RV, which is awesome.
Yep.
They have a way for you to get out. They lock the gate at night. They were quick. We scheduled, and they had it done for us the next day. Very professional. They even cleaned the front of the RV, which is awesome because I have bugs all over it. Thank you. So I highly recommend them. Plus, they're a workhorse certified shop, which is the chassis that our RV's on. So
And probably many of you.
yeah. So
Oh, but the other thing that was cool about them is we had some weird leak in the front, an oil leak.
oh yeah. So actually, so when the RV caught on fire, if you go back with us that far,
Yeah.
we, for some reason, there was a leak in the oil cooler line, and everybody told me I was crazy, and I'm like, no, I swear there's oil coming out. You can see it on the line, and everybody just kept, no. These guys saw it. They couldn't find the actual gasket that goes on it, but he was able to, put silicone around it, and he said, it should be fine. It should never leak really ever again, but if you want to change it, this is what you need.
Yeah,
and
he told us what seal we needed and
Yep.
all that. So that's
Yeah,
pretty
they were
awesome.
super cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we paid for
Yeah,
him
we
to
paid
fix
for
it, but hey, whatever. It's all good.
Yeah. It was something that was nagging and it was addressed.
Yep. So now we're leaving. So we're filling up. We're doing all the things.
Yep.
And it was real sad. I mean, it was fun. We got to hang out with our friend Chantalua.
Yes. So what's crazy about them is that we met them in the Florida Keys at John Pennicamp.
Yeah.
And
How
we
many
were-
miles did we say it was?
I don't remember.
8,000?
I don't know. But
Close to 8,000
how crazy
miles.
is that? And then we met up again. Now, we saw them when
We saw
were
them in Portland. Yep. Because that's where
Yeah.
that's where they're from.
Yeah.
But they were up here and surprised us in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
well, we didn't
because-
see him till the next morning.
Yeah,
But,
because we had to come back to Fairbanks. We were able to cross paths.
and hang out with them for a couple days.
Yeah, so we went on bike rides to the farmer's market.
Which the farmer's market just keeps getting better and better and
Oh,
better,
yeah, it
folks.
was
The
like-
first time we were there,
it was like double the size this time.
Yeah.
And we actually bought some vegetables. Like, got a beautiful
it wasn't
red
just
butter
cucumbers.
lettuce. It wasn't just cucumbers. Yeah, beautiful red butter lettuce, a
Yep.
bunch of kale, and a bok choy. And so
They had
there's-
plenty of other stuff.
Yeah.
It was awesome. So,
Yeah, so we can't wait to, like, as we go along to see the farmers markets grow.
Yep. We're just definitely earlier in the season.
Yes, too early.
But we're leaving now.
Yep.
So, off to other places to see other
Yes.
things. To
And
infinity and beyond!
I do want to mention that Kevin got an awesome new mic. So,
Hopefully you can hear us better.
yes.
We picked up a Shure MV88.
Yes.
Because Laura films all of this on their iPhone.
Yep.
So it just plugs right in. So hopefully you guys can hear it. Less wind noise. We may be looking at getting another little cover for this thing. But yeah, anyway.
We'll
We're
see
just
how it
trying
goes.
to improve for you peeps.
Yep.
Anyway, I think that's it.
Yes.
Anything else?
Um,
Oh, we had the Impossible Burger last night. Oh, yeah. It was at
Food
Factory in Fairbanks. If you're there, stop in. They made an awesome one. It was really good. Laura didn't have it, but I did. It was delicious.
If you don't want the Impossible Burger and you're vegan, don't go there.
Yeah, unless you like fried foods. I had tater
unless you just
tots.
want a big pile of French fries, or I won't complain anymore. But
Yeah. You're alive today.
I
You
did.
made it.
I survived.
She survived. Alright, anyway, we gotta tend to this water.
Yep.
So, we'll see you guys later. Bye!
Aw.
That's Laura. I'm Kevin. Just wanted to give everybody an update. We are headed back to...
Fairbanks.
Why are we heading back to Fairbanks?
Because one of our seals.
Our rear end is messed up
Yeah.
on the RV.
Yeah.
Not a regular rear ends, we're vegan. Anyway, just kind of wanted to show you. I double checked this with Paul, so if it's wrong, Paul, you're wrong. If it's right, I'm the one who figured it out. Just kidding. Anyway, I came down here the other day and I saw some fluid, some like oil down here at the bottom, and you can still see like there's still a little bit on there. So fluid's leaking out of the rear end, and if you were hanging out with us in January of this year, you'll see that we just got a new rear end on the RV, so it's a little frustrating, but we're going to drive it 100 miles back up to Fairbanks and see what Gene's truck and auto repair can do for us. Very knowledgeable. They're workhorse. They're a Iron Horse? Workhorse. They're a workhorse shop, which is the chassis that our Adventure is built on. So, anyway, yeah.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck. Hopefully we make it. Don't catch on fire.
Yeah.
And, yeah. Anyway, peace and RV grease.
So the farmer's market's a lot busier than it was last time we came. This is just half of it now. There's another whole section on the other side somewhere.
Wait, another whole half?
Ah.
Think about that.
So crazy, like.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Just got done eating dinner. Hey, Sweet Tea Travels!
Say hi.
He's a bad
Hopefully
cat.
nobody's trying to sleep.
He's me!
Anyway, it was awesome.
Yep, we've been
We're-
hanging out with these dudes last couple
And
days, and we'll see them again.
yes.
Bye.
Cool. See you guys.
Till next time. So we're at Walmart and we're looking at this and we're thinking,
Beans are nasty.
yeah, so, gross, beans. So I'm like, I wonder what's in it.
TVP.
You know what that is? Soy. Jerks. You know what soy is? It's a bean. Stupid. Yeah. So, Tallulah told us that these smell like pineapple, which is crazy. They totally do. I don't know what they are, but they're amazing. Also, that other noise that you're hearing is us dumping.
Oh, come on. I also like how you picked it up and you sniffed it behind the camera. You're like, yeah,
Yeah.
totally suspect. And nothing's going on in the street. That was
Perfect.
brilliant. Hey.
Hey guys,
Yep.
thanks for watching, as always.
Yep. We're ending this at Go Wild.
Yep. They make bomb smoothies here.
They're so good. So yeah, this is where we're gonna end it.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't, turn it off right now.
Yep.
If you loved it, click that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done it.
Yep.
If you want to see more from us. And follow us on Instagram
Yep.
and Facebook.
Wherever.
In all
Wherever
the
you-
places.
Wherever you want. Or not.
We're everywhere.
Whatevs. We're easy.
Cool. All right, y'all take care.
See ya.
See you next time. Yeah.